we're selling it later. So if you misheard what price this is, okay, and what color is it, first turn on your volume up, okay, up to hear me. First, let's start with the golds. Look at this gold. My favorite gold. Look at that. This is gold. See that gold? That's gold. Wait, look at the normal two gold. Look at this. Wait. Look. Oh, backwards. Look, this is gold. See? Now, go back to the bottom normal. Now, so, gold cost with 20 pesos. The gold cost 20 pesos. So, the end, we have gold. Look at our golds. And we have silver. Silver. My favorite is the gold. We have silver. Silver is 30 pesos each. Next, look at this. Wait, we need normal again. Look at this. This is silver. This is the normal. Ooh, look at that. This is. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Good. If you see me and my friends, there's some chance we're four, but there's some chance we're three. If we're three, still buy, please, bro. Next, we have black. Look at that black. And look at this, bro. We have, remember, we have two silvers, two. Look at the silver, two silver. And we have two gold. We have two gold. So it's fair if we have two blocks. We have two blocks. Good. Look at this. Mm-mm. And this, where's the rainbow? And we have one rainbow. Look at this. Rainbow. So the rainbow, no, I'll give this 10. Okay, 10. 10. So, and this, and all of, wait. If you're, if you're lucky, if you're lucky, and you pick this one, it's VMAX. Yeah, yeah, it's VMAX. VMAX. So if you got lucky and you got this is 5 pesos. 5 pesos. And look at our other ones. So this is all. Wait, there's silver. Okay, now this is all. Now this is wait. I know. This is all. This is all 5 pesos. Now this is all 5 pesos. But this. Wait. This. Wait. This. Wait. This. Wait. Okay. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro. Bro. 7. This is 15 pesos, 20 pesos, 30 pesos, 10 pesos. That's okay. And all of these are wait. And no bro. Destroyed. Late night dancing put your I got it. Late night dancing put bro. These all are 5 pesos. Bro. Put it down. Good. Now let's just clean this, and that's all for today's video. Wait, night dancing put your hands on me. Bro, now I get it. Don't forget, before if you win a match in Blade Ball, do the Brian is the best dance. Wait. I figured something out. Late night devil put but why? Look, wait. Last minute. Late night devil put Don't forget to buy one of these. Late night devil. Bro, why am I late night devil? We're selling this later. If you're late to watch this and you watch this on 2 days, we'll sell. We always sell Pokemon, of course. Did I mess it up? That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.